everybody, we're back at the 7 John Singleton show. And get what my mommy brought me. No. Okay, I'll tell you. She brought me a grilled cheese maker. And we're going to the movies tomorrow, and we're about to make it. You want to make grilled cheese on me? Let's go and make grilled cheese. If you baked grilled cheese before, then just stir it up. Guys, we're gonna open up the grilled cheese in 3, 2, 1. First pull this part, and then pull this part out, and then pull it, and then stick it in the middle, and then pull this part out. A cookbook. This is what I just told you all. Let me see how many pages it has. 25 pages. That is a lot in this cookbook. Now I'm gonna open this. So this is my grilled cheese maker. And you can put 2 breads in it and 2 cheese in it. It depends what you want. If you want 1 sandwich, then you need 1 cheese and 2 pieces of bread. And if you want 2 sandwiches, you need 4 pieces of bread and you only need 2 pieces of cheese. And look inside this. I know, it's so cool, but even if it has a cutter inside, it doesn't mean you can have 4. It just means another thing. It just makes 2 sandwiches. Now let's get our ingredients. So I have 2 pieces of cheese now. And I can't put the cheese in here right now because I need bread and there's literally tape. Here's the tape and get some bread. So you just pull this in a pot and then pull it out. And then cross this part out and leave it. Pull it out.
Action.
So guys, I'm gonna get 4 slices of bread. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3 and 4. So I have 4 pieces of bread. Look at this bread and the cheese. Now I'm all ready to top this sandwich. So guys, we're gonna put this in the grease sandwich. But wait. You can play with plugs. And you're gonna have to ask a grown-up if you're doing it in the grilled cheese sandwich. And I'm gonna put this inside. So get ready for the big finish. We are gonna get the cheese. So we're gonna get the bread on the plate and then get the cheese off. And then place it on the bread, and you have to put it neat. And put it neatly, just like this. Neatly. And then put the other bread on top. And I made my first grilled cheese sandwich. And you don't know if you can put it in the toaster or not. So you're going to have to ask the grown-up. Can I put it in the toaster? Okay, then you put it in the toaster. And this one right here, and then get the other cheese. And then get the other cheese, and then pull it out. Ow! That one messed up. Now I have to get another cheese. See? And put this one right here. And put this one right here. And then put it in the other toaster. And here is the toaster. So guys, this is the fun part. I'm gonna hear my sandwiches are in here. I'm gonna press preheat and then pull this down. Let's see what's gonna happen. Press it and then pull it down. Pull it all the way down. Look at that. I can see the smoke. So guys, it's ready! And I'm gonna put these up. And wait. I'm gonna pick up a piece and bite it. I'm gonna go. Thumbs up! This is so good. And we put it on the 5, but now we put it on the 4 if you don't want it to be that toasty. Why are you laughing? It makes me laugh. What?